So a lot of you wanted to know how we can verify that we have successfully completed the bonus milestone in the Arcade Facilitator program. So in this video, we are covering that thing only. But before we start, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. First of all, if you have participated in the Arcade Facilitator program, then you'll be getting every Tuesday and Friday this kind of progress report. So how to just check it? First of all, you have to come to the bonus milestone section. We are not talking about these normal milestone. Here, you must have earned the gear badge. How to earn it? For that also, I made a video. You'll find in the description. From there, you can watch it. These two badges must be earned. After that, you need to complete at least milestone 1. Now, what is in the milestone 1? You have to complete any 6 arcade games from the syllabus. You can see these are the arcade games which are listed over here. So in case you have already completed, it's good. In case you have not completed, you can complete in August month, September month. Okay. Any 6 games you have to complete and any 18 skill badge you have to complete for milestone 1. Okay. Once you complete milestone 1, you'll be getting 5 points from here. And for extra 10 points for which we are doing the bonus milestone, you can see the bonus section over here. Now one more catch is there. Here you can see in milestone 1, we have 18 skill badges. And in the bonus milestone also, we have 4 skill badge, which comes to the second criteria that you need to complete gear skill badges. So if you complete these 4 skill badges, out of which 2 are only quizzes only. Okay. So if you complete all these 4 skill badge, you can just count. You can complete 14 skill badge over here, 6 games and 14 skill badge. And these 4 skill badge will be counted as a skill badge in the Arcade Facilitator program. So once you have done these 2 things, after that, you have to just build your agent and submit over here. How to build your agent, how to do the submission, we have covered in a video, you'll find over there. Now your query, how we can verify that our agent is successfully submitted. So you'll be getting a progress report. Wait for at least, I think, 2 to 3 reports. Okay, after you have submitted the form, wait for at least 2 to 3 reports. Chances are there it will be added earlier only. You'll be getting a fresh report where it will show verification submitted. Okay. And the bonus milestone is 100% completed. Instead of 40, 30, 10, 80, it will show 100% completed. Now, once it is 100% completed, you don't have to disable your billing account or claim from prepayment, because they have clearly mentioned in the FAQ section that please maintain the permission until the program ends plus 2 weeks extra. Okay. So I don't know much about it, but if you just disable the billing account, all your resources will also be disabled. In such case, if the agent is not able to fetch your details, okay, then your bonus points won't be credited. So in simple words, what you have to do, you have to just keep the billing account running. Don't issue a refund for the prepayment. How to issue the refund? For that, I have made a video. You'll find all the related videos in the description box. You can find from there. So after the program ends, when it is ending, 14th of November. Okay. Mostly by the end of September, you'll be getting all the bonus points detail. Means how many points you have earned, milestone bonus, including all the details will be shared to you. So once you have verified all the things, then you can simply close the billing account. I've made a video. You can watch it, how to close it. It's very simple. It will take minimum 2 to 3 minutes for some people. And if you watch the video, you can close it within 1 second itself. So these are the things I wanted to share. If you still have any doubts, you can let in the comment section. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead. Do like the video, subscribe the channel, and hype the video for more.